Today we hardwire a backup camera power cable, freeing up the dashboard and 12-volt socket. Make sure to stick around to the end to find out how to avoid a mistake I made during this install that cost me extra time and work. Step 1. Figure out where you want to connect to power. My original plan was to cut the charging connector off the power cable and use a fuse tap to connect to the interior fuse box. This is how I've always done it. However, I noticed this charger's output is only 5 volts, and I didn't see a fat part anywhere on the power cable where a voltage step down might be. So I'm guessing that something inside the charging connector is converting 12 volts, which is the truck's normal electrical voltage, to 5 volts. And if the backup camera is designed to run on 5 volts, I think giving it 12 volts might do something bad. So I have to find another way to hardwire the power cable. Step 1A. Work around the 12 volt to 5 volt issue. I bought a 12 volt outlet adapter or splitter at the auto parts store. If I can find one online, I'll link it below in the description. My new plan is to connect the adapter to the wires going to an existing outlet. Plug the charger into the adapter, and then tuck all the wires neatly into the dash. Step 2. Remove the doghouse. Make sure the seats are pushed back as far as they can go. Usually you just have to release 4 clamps, but sometimes there's bolts. Pull the doghouse up and out of the truck. Step 3. Find power. I'll be connecting to these wires that power the 12 volt outlets above the doghouse. Usually red or another color is hot and black is negative, but we might as well test it out with our test light. You may need to turn the key in the ignition to the on or accessory position. Hey, please take a second to hit that like button. Step 4. Hardwire to power. Remove the negative battery cable, or don't if you want to live dangerously. Clear away some wire wrap, being careful not to cut into the wires. Prepare your power outlet adapter. I cut mine from the rest of the splitter and separated the wires at the end. Use quick connects, wire nuts, or butt connectors to tie into power. The adapter's black and white wire goes to the truck's hot wire, that's the red one, and the black goes to the truck's ground wire, which is black. Step 5. Test the unit. Replace the battery cable, connect the charger, and see if everything works. Step 6. Tuck the cable away. Use the headliner, trim, door seal weather stripping, any brackets, etc. Try not to block any airbags. Keep the cable up and behind the trim and dashboard where it can't be kicked or stepped on. Put electrical tape on quick connects or wire nuts and the charger adapter. Zip tie everything in place. What the? Of course there's a 12-volt outlet in the glove box. I mean, why wouldn't there be one in there, right? Okay, well, that would have saved me some work if I knew about it. Pro tip, check the glove box for a power outlet. Step 7, finish up. Replace any trim and door seals and put the doghouse back on, which apparently I didn't have to remove anyway because it could have tied into the power behind the glove box. Please leave questions and comments below, or just let me know how your install went. Good luck.